Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I will be sharing my honest hair care routine. Winter season is already started and in winters our scalp become dry and hairs become frizzy. So I thought I should share some tips with all of you to keep our scalp clean and hydrated. And also how can we achieve soft, manageable and frizzy hairs in winters. I will share my hairstyling routine, how I blow dry and straighten my hairs. So yeah, I hope this video will be helpful to all of you guys. And if yes, please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Every day I apply this magical water on my hair. I'm calling it magical because it's really working like a magic on my hair. To prepare this water, I will take 1 glass of water and add 2 spoons of methi dana in it and let it boil for 10 minutes. This water will help to keep your scalp clean, promote hair growth and reduce hair fall. You can use it daily before sleeping or in morning as well. Spray this water section by section on your roots, massage for some time and let it dry naturally. You can repeat this process every day to see the results. Now, till the water gets dry on my hair, let's make a DIY hair oil. For that, I am using coconut oil, 2 spoons of dried hibiscus flower, 1 spoon methi, and 1 spoon rosemary oil. Or if you don't have rosemary oil, you can add some dried or fresh rosemary as well. Then fry the mixture on low flame for 10 minutes. And once it's cold, transfer it in a glass jar. You can store it for 2 to 3 weeks as well. So it's already been 4 days I washed my hairs and this is the condition of my hairs before washing. I usually do my hair wash 2 times a week. So I have warmed up the oil for few seconds and then I have started applying it on the roots of my hair. I will apply it on my scalp section by section. Always focus on scalp because scalp nourishment is very important and then only our hairs will become strong and healthy. And trust me, this homemade hair oil works like a magic. It has all the goodness of powerful ingredients like coconut oil, rosemary, hibiscus, methi. The blend of all ingredients really help to promote new hair growth, stronger hair roots, and help to reduce the hair fall. Next, I use this massager to massage my hair. I gently massage my scalp. It feels so relaxing. I massage it like 2 to 3 minutes and it helps in increasing blood circulation and stimulates hair growth. This process is very relaxing and try to follow it once a week or every alternate week. So yeah, I kept the hair oil for 40 to 45 minutes and after that I shampoo my hair. I am using this Be Blunt Intense Moisture shampoo. I am using this shampoo for last 1 month and trust me, it's very nice. My hair feels super clean, soft and manageable without any frizziness. Even if you have oil in your hair, it cleans it very nicely and gently. After shampoo, today I am using this Be Blunt Intense Moisture Hair Mask. It's so nourishing and hydrating and it's really a must have for dry, frizzy and rough hairs. It makes my hair super silky, smooth. I apply it on my hairs for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash my hairs. I use this kind of microfiber towel to tie my hair. It soaks water easily and reduces the frizziness. And it's very important not to comb your hairs when it's wet. It will increase your hair breaking. Just detangle it using your fingers and let the hairs dry naturally. Or if you are in hurry, then you can dry it using a hair dryer. I always try to air dry my hairs, but if I have to go out or I have to shoot, I dry my hairs using a hair dryer. So yeah, let me show you how I dry my hairs. This is the hair dryer I'm using. I dry my hairs 80 to 90% before I go for styling them. I do not use hair straightener or hair dryer daily. So yeah, you can see my hairs are 80 to 90% dry. So I'm using this Bee Blends Heat Protecting Mist. Gently apply it on your hairs or if you don't have this, then you can also use any hair serum. We need this only to protect our hairs from heat damage. Now I'm using this iconic hair straightener. This has 3 settings to use. I generally use the low or medium setting to straighten my hairs. I really like this hair straightener. It's easy to use and you can get a salon-like straight hairs at home in minutes. After this, you can see my hairs are looking so smooth and frizz-free. You can see the difference. One side of my hair is looking so shiny, voluminous and straight than the other side. I will do the same process on my other side of hairs. So look at my hair. It feels like I have done hair straightening from salon. And yeah, that's it. It takes around 10 minutes to do this styling on my hair. It's easy and time saving method to style your hair. So yeah, this is the final result. I love how my hair is feeling soft, smooth and frizz-free. There is a lot of shine to it. All the products from DIY hair oil, shampoo, hair mask, everything is added in the description box. Let me know in the comment section how you like this video, any queries or any video suggestions. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. If this video was helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell for all the upcoming updates. I will see you in my next one. Till then, stay safe and stay beautiful. So in today's video I will be sharing my honest. So winter season is already started and in winter our freeze freeze free hairs freeze free hairs. And also how can we achieve soft, manageable and frizz free hairs?